Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to communicate nested iframes using very simple methods. Here I will use content window and window.parent. So let's get started. I have already written the code. So this is index.html page. Inside index.html page I have one iframe. I have given source as parent.html. This means parent.html is loaded inside this iframe. I have given id to this iframe, which is parent, and this is some styling, height and width. So this is first index.html page. Now let's go to parent.html. Inside parent.html I have created a second iframe. Second iframe contains source as child.html. Child.html is a separate HTML file which I have created. Now I have provided id as child and there is some styling. Now here I have created a h1 tag. I have given an id to this. I want to change this text by exchanging messages between the iframes. That's why I have written here to be changed. This text will change once a message or something is received from that internal iframe. This is parent iframe. So now I have created one form. This is a simple form for sending and receiving messages. I have created an input field inside this form. I have given this as parent form because this is form inside parent.html. Now I have one input field. When a user enters something here, I have created a button for sending the message which is entered here in input. Now on click of this button I am calling this send function. So this send function, what it does, it sends the data to internal child.html page. Now here I am getting the child window. So how to get child window? I am using document.getElement by id child, which id I have provided here. This is iframe. Inside this iframe child.html is loaded and I am getting this using child id and content window. Content window is window of this child.html. For iframe we have separate html for each iframe, so it's loaded as a window, or you can say document inside a document. It is like that. So that's why I am getting content window of child html. Now using content window of child html, I can get all the elements inside that child.html. So see here I have created a send function. Inside send function I have written child window, which is this child window. Now child window dot document gives us the child document, which is child.html document. Now inside this I have created a second test. So let's go to child.html. Here is child.html h1 id test2. This test2 is text to be changed, so I am getting this test2 using id inside this parent.html, which is here test2. Now get element by id test2 dot inner html gives the value inside this test2, which is, see here, child.html. It gives to be changed. Now now after doing these things, what I am doing is I am changing this inner.html. This means I am getting child window. Now inside this child window I am getting the document, and after that I am getting element by id, and now I am getting the inner html, control of inner html, which I want to change. So here what I am doing, document.getElement by id in this, here in this form, this is regarding this form. I am doing document.getElement by id dot parent form, which is this form. Inside that parent form I have different elements, so one of them is this input. So I am doing elements, which gives a array of all elements, and after that I am getting the message. I am getting this thing using name, and dot value gives the value, which whatever value user enters inside this text field, that value I can access using this thing value. So after getting this value, I am assigning test2 inner HTML. I am assigning this value to test2 dot inner HTML. So this text will be automatically changed once a user enters some value and clicks on send. So now let's go to child.html file. Inside child.html file, I have created one h1 tag, which is test2. I have already explained you guys what this text2. This text2 is for getting the data from outer iframe, and I will change this to be changed here. I will change this thing here, this much. Yeah, and after that I have created one form here. So this is one form with id id request or something like that, and then I have created two inputs. One is text field and second one is send data. Send data is doing same thing, sending the data. And now inside a script here we have parent. I am trying to get the parent window. So once you are inside the child.html, which is the internal iframe, content of internal iframe, so once you are inside that, how you can access the outer iframe window? So the way is by doing window.parent, because I have context of internal iframe, internal window. So from there, once I will do window.parent, then I can get access to the outer iframe. So that's how it is working. Parent is equal to, this is parent window. Parent window is equal to window.parent. This thing I am doing from child.html, so it gives the outer iframe window. Now here I have created one send data function, which is I am calling on click of the button. So what it does, it sends the value to outer iframe and changes the text there. So here I am doing parent window. This is parent window dot document. On doing parent window dot document, what I am getting? I am getting the outer iframe, document of outer iframe. So inside that we have one test1, we have one id test1. See, inside this parent we have test1. So this thing we want to change. So now go to child dot inner HTML. So by this way I am getting the control of inner HTML of that h1 tag test1 id. So now what I am doing, I am getting the document dot get element y id request, which is here this form, and dot elements, which gives all the elements, and again this message and dot value, whatever value user inserts inside this input field, I am getting that value and assigning this value to that test1. So now the test1 will automatically change once the send button is clicked from child.html. So this is all about the code part. Now for running this, we need to run index.html file. So if you want to run it in Mozilla, then without WAMP server you can do that, but I tried to run in Google Chrome. In Google Chrome without WAMP server you cannot do that. So WAMP or XAMPP, if you have any one of them, then run WAMP control panel, and from here I am currently online. This WAMP server is currently online. So if it is offline, then it shows red color. So put it online. My WAMP server is currently online, and then all these files you have created. So what you need to do is copy this all these HTMLs, index.html, parent.html and child.html. Copy all this code inside one folder where you installed your WAMP server. So see, I am going to C drive. I have inside C drive I have WAMP, so I am going inside WAMP. Inside WAMP I have www folder. Inside www folder I have iframe, so I am going inside iframe. So I have created this iframe folder here, and inside this iframe folder I have all these files which I want to run. So once you guys have ready with this all these things, then go to your Google Chrome and open a window, type localhost iframe slash index dot html. See, I got the index.html page. Now here I am trying to send something from internal iframe child.html to outer iframe parent.html. So let send something. See, something is received here, and from here I want to send something. So hi, see, hi is received in inner iframe. So this is a very easy way to communicate two iframes, but in this case you cannot do cross domain communication. So data received from only one domain, which is localhost, here will be accepted. So in this way you can communicate two iframes. Now if you want to see how this thing is working, so go to inspect element, or you can do F12. You can just press F12 and this debugger will be opened automatically. Now I want to see document. So what is this document? This whole window is document. Currently when you hover over this document, it shows the whole window is document. Now if I want to get parent iframe, so what I do, document dot get element by id parent. See, I am getting the parent dot html. This is parent iframe with id parent. So now when I am hovering over this, see, the document is changed. Whatever we have we here we are getting only the parent dot html. Now if I will do document, so from here you cannot access the IDs inside child.html. Document dot get element by id parent dot content window. No, content window, yeah. Content window, see what it gives. It gives the content window of that iframe. Now if you do content window dot document, then it gives this document, and from here if I want to access the child, so what I should do, see here I have parent.html. inside parent.html we have child. So can I access child from here? Child, it is showing null because currently I am trying to access child window from the complete DOM, this complete document, but child is inside this iframe. So I need to get the internal document of this this internal document of this parent window. So for that what I am doing, document dot get element by id parent, this way I am getting the parent. Now now I am doing content window, so I am getting the content window of parent. Inside that parent I am getting again the document of parent. Now from here I think I can access the child. So again do get element by id child. See what it gives. See, it gives the internal iframe which is child.html, and now when I am hovering over it, it shows the child window. So in this way this thing is working. Again if I want to get inside the child window, so what I should do, again I should do dot content. If you want to access test2 which is inside child window, you cannot access from here. For that you need to go inside the content window of child, content window, and dot document. So I am getting now document of that child window. From here only I can access the dot get element by id test2 which is internal test which is internal test inside, which is h1 tag inside this child window. So see I am getting this. So in this way I am traversing from outer window to parent window to child window. From here if you want to access the outer iframe, so what we should do, content window dot parent. So it gives a window. Now parent dot document, see what it gives, it gives the outer. So now what I am doing, I am inside the child. From child I am getting the content window of child, and from there what I am doing, I am getting the parent. So for child, this one, this the parent is this one. So I am getting the parent, and then I am doing dot document. So now it shows the complete parent document. So in this way I am getting all those things, and I am communicating between these two iframes. Hope you guys will like it. If you guys like, then subscribe to our channel, and I will keep uploading all these things. If you have any doubt, you can ask questions, you can share, you can comment. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.